Our reliable partner is a well-established private enterprise specializing in manufacturing fuel vehicle components for cars and small machinery. Their product range includes essential parts like cylinder blocks and cylinder heads, with comprehensive cast iron and aluminum die casting production lines. This company is fully equipped to handle everything from raw casting to advanced machining, enabling them to supply top-tier OEMs. One of their key strengths is their combination of low pricing with consistent, high-quality standards, resulting in excellent cost performance. Their cast iron and aluminum components, particularly smaller parts, are highly competitive in terms of pricing. Their location in the Western region helps them maintain low production costs while meeting strict quality benchmarks, giving them a strong market edge. Our collaboration with this partner allows us to supply both raw and fully machined parts to foundries in cost-sensitive regions, including Southern Europe. Compared to even low-cost manufacturers in that region, this partner's cost efficiency remains unmatched. Our partnership supports competitive pricing and reliable quality, making them a vital part of our supply chain strategy. If you like our videos, please subscribe to Shentu Automotive on YouTube. We are looking forward to working with you.